Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do spell check in the new Outlook app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to the settings we need to configure. Once your emails have loaded, navigate to the top of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. Look for the File tab and click on it. This is where you'll find important account settings and configuration options that control how Outlook behaves. After clicking on File, a menu will appear. Direct your attention to the bottom part of this menu and you'll see an option called Outlook Options. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a new window where you can customize various aspects of your Outlook experience. In the Outlook Options window that appears, you'll notice several settings tabs listed on the left side of the screen. From these tabs, click on the one labeled Mail. This section contains all the settings related to how you compose and send emails. Now, under the Compose Messages section, you'll see a checkbox option that states Always check spelling before sending. This is the feature you're looking for. When enabled, this setting automatically scans your email for any misspelled words before you hit send, and it provides corrective suggestions to help you fix any errors. This is incredibly useful for maintaining professional communication and catching typos before they reach your recipients. Go ahead and check this box to enable the spell check feature. Once you've done that, click the OK button at the bottom of the window to save your settings. Your changes will now be applied, and Outlook will automatically check your spelling every time you attempt to send an email. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled automatic spell check in the new Outlook app, ensuring your emails are error-free before they're sent. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.